Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Sorry, I just rolled out of bed a little bit ago, about 11 or noon, so my hair is a little destroyed. But anyways, the main point of this video is I randomly got a text message from someone from the IBEW membership development, and it's like a giant page of text. At first, I was really concerned. At first I thought it was one of the subscribers I gave my phone number to, because, anyways, I'm not going to mention their name, but anyways, at first I thought it was a YouTube subscriber who I gave my phone number to, and then I started reading, and it said it was a member from the membership development from my IBEW 48. So I got really concerned because they were talking about my YouTube. I saw like a few words, so I started reading it. I was concerned, but anyways, I'm just going to kind of read it to you, leaving out some personal information. So I'm just gonna jump right in. So it says, "Hey John, this is blank with membership development with IBEW 48. I am the person that mailed you the postcard," and that postcard is somewhere around here somewhere. Anyways, I am the person that mailed you the postcards and sent you emails about joining. I ran across your YouTube channel last night while doing research for material to help organize. The first video I saw, you were holding up the New Year's postcard. I watched like 15 others, including you with Steven, the mad electrician, talking about union versus non-union. Your videos are great. I was wondering if you and I can talk sometime. I really would like your help to eliminate myths and ease fears of joining for people. I know the uncertainty of going from what you have and can live with to something unknown that sounds great, but you have been told is bad, has to be difficult. We have a 96% retention rate of those that join, but I am guessing most people that haven't joined would only have the 4% in their ear. Also in their ear is the IEC training center and contractors that don't want to pay workers what the union shops are willing to pay. I believe we are somewhere around 30% that didn't start their career in our apprenticeship program. Also would like to spread accurate, detailed information about wages and benefits, plus answer any questions you got and suggestions you have. So that was the first message he sent me. And then, yeah, there was another message. Basically wants to meet up in the future and go over just a bunch of information and just maybe answer any questions that I have. And I want to open it up to you guys. If you guys have any questions about the union, this is like the professional here to answer our questions. So he gave me his phone number and all that stuff, cell phone number. So I'm gonna meet up with him. I just want to open this up to you guys. So if you have any questions about the union, definitely drop them below. I'll ask it to him. I'm gonna write out my own questions, and I'm probably gonna have, if Mad Electrician has any questions, I'm gonna have him drop some questions too. Maybe he'll open it up to his channel as well. But I think he said he said plan on about a 2-hour meeting. So I'm gonna obviously ask him about like stuff about wages, like pension probably, the IBEW credit union and the vacation fund, just a whole bunch of questions. Maybe also like if I get vacation from my company or if that's only through the vacation fund. So this is really awesome. And he basically wasn't happy that like there's just so much false information out there, and he wants to just clear up some information and to pick me to use me as like an outlet to like display this information is just an honor, and I'm super happy about that. At first I was worried because I saw like he was talking about my YouTube channel, and like just seeing that huge wall of text, I was like, oh, this is gonna be bad. He's probably gonna be saying something like I probably shouldn't be saying stuff, or I'm saying bad information. But to hear that he was really happy with my information and my videos was really awesome. So thank you. I'm not gonna say his name. I don't know if he wants that displayed or not, but yeah, I just want to open this up to you guys. If you got any questions about the union, just drop them in the comments below. I'm really excited to meet up with this guy and get you guys some accurate information, just clear up any questions that I have, you have. And he was saying in another message, he's saying, I don't think that he wants to be in a video, but I'll just repeat the information that he has. Maybe I can just do a video on me and just have him like talking on the side next to me possibly. I'll ask him about that, but he would like to just brainstorm and perhaps give me some in-depth information. And then he was also saying maybe long-term we can get you interviews with various people, which would be super cool. Maybe like a walkthrough of the IBW or IBW training center and stuff like that. That would be super cool just to give you guys like a walkthrough of my union and stuff. So anyways, I'm super excited about this, guys, and hopefully you are as well. Hopefully this will help out the channel and just help out as many people as possible. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. I'm super excited. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I will drop some extra videos. Tomorrow I have a few videos already shot, so I'm going to upload those over the weekend, try to keep the channel steady. As always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it and help out the channel. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Don't forget to check the description for anything else like social medias and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams if that's something you are interested in. And lastly, I'm going to drop a GoFundMe link in the description for one of my close friends who is having a really rough time right now. So if that's something you're interested in helping with, check that out. Don't feel pressured to give, but honestly, just out of your heart, if that's something you're interested in, going through a really rough time. So if you can have any spare money, this isn't for me or anything. This is for my friend who is the page is hosted by someone that I don't know, but it's one of her friends. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to check that out as well. I'd appreciate it. God bless, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out. All right, guys, one last thing. If you guys are ever interested in joining the union that I am in, IBW 48, you guys are around the area, make sure to use me as a referral. The name is John Locke. If you are not familiar, I don't really display that information. It's in my profile, but I just don't really introduce that in my videos. So if you use me as a referral, that'd be awesome. I think we would both get $500, or I would just get $500. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But anyways, it would help out me. It would help out the channel. It would help out paying for bills and stuff like that. So I'd appreciate it. This just goes to show you that you never know who's watching your videos. Like sometimes I know like my close friends will watch, or like friends from church, or even like IBEW members, or even like my electrician. Like you never know who's gonna watch your videos, and like you can make an awesome connection. But also you have to make sure to kind of like be smart about it sometimes as well, because like I said, you never know who's watching your videos. One time I said something bad about my coworker's work, and someone found out about it and told him about it, or he watched the video or whatever. So you just have to be careful. But in this case, this is awesome, and I really hope something awesome comes out of this, even if not. But you know, I'm really excited about this, and hopefully something will become of it for you guys and for the channel. All right, guys, peace.